The main component of talc is talc water-containing magnesium silicate, which is usually a dense block, leaf, radial, fibrous aggregate. The talc powder ball press is composed of three parts. One is the feeding part. The feeding part of the talc powder ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding to ensure that the material evenly enters the roll. The second is the transmission part. The main transmission system of the talc ball press transmission part is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. The main engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. The third is the forming part, which mainly refers to the host part of the talc powder ball press, and the core part is the roll. When there is too much feed between the two rollers, or into the metal block, the hydraulic cylinder piston rod is overloaded under pressure. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The relief valve opens and returns the oil. The piston rod shifts to increase the gap between the rollers so that hard objects pass through the rollers, making the system press normal, which can protect the press roller of the talc powder press machine from damage.